Raising gas is started. We have Heaven's Image break weekly to start. Moving a party outside Manhattan. Chica Una in the middle portion. Pernicious comes next. Gaia Magic Mings. Then moving a party outside Tameret Kata. While Royal Viva is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Pernicious by about 3 lengths. Manhattan in second, moving a party outside now is Chica Una. Heaven's Image is racing in fourth, then followed over by Magic Mings. Then next on line is Gaia Tameret Cat, while Royal Biba is still racing less half mile distance. They traveled. We have Pernicious by over length any half. Manhattan, Chica Una moving up now on the outside is Heaven's Image. Then comes Magic Mings. Gaia comes next, Royal Biba, while Tamaret Cat now racing in less than a part turn. The lead now belongs to Manhattan by about 3/4 of a length lead. About to throw the challenge now on the outside is Heaven's Image. Chica Una in the middle portion. Gaia now coming closer, so with Magic Mings. And as they swing for home, we have Heaven's Image by our length. Down on the inside is Manhattan. Moving up by the rail now is Magic Mings. Gaia is on the outside. Last 75 meters, we have Heaven's Image. Rose clear by about 4 lengths. And finally, Heaven's Image. Second close between Gaia and Manhattan. Then comes Magic Mings. Chica Una